In this video, I fill out the unit circle. I'm going to start with degrees. Zeros here, 90, 180, 270, and 360. Good. Let me go to 45. So we'll do 45, 90, 135, 180, 225, 270, and then that would be plus 45 would be 315. How about 30s? All right, 30, 60, 90, 120, 150, 180, 210, 240, 270, 300, 330. All right, so there we go. How about let's do radians. So there's 0 over there, and I know that pi rests on the other side. So this is half a pi. And that would be a pi and a half, or 3 pi over 2. Okay. Let me go ahead and start with the quarters. So that's 1/4 of a pi. And 2/4 would be there. 3/4 is over here. 3 pi over 4. 4/4. 5/4, 5 pi over 4, 6/4, 7/4, and of course 2 pi is there. All right, so let's do thirds. So there's 1/3, pi over 3. There's 2/3, 2 pi over 3. 3/3 is pi. 4/3 would be 4 pi over 3. And then 5/3, 5 pi over 3, and then of course 6/3. Last one, let's see, so that's 30 is 1/6 of 180, so that's pi over 6. And then everything else is filled out except this one, and you see I'm only 1/6 back, so that's 1 minus 1/6 is 5 pi over 6. This is add 1/6, so that's 7 pi over 6, and that would be 12 pi, or 12 pi over 6 minus 1 pi over 6 is 11 pi over 6. So far so good. Now again, I'm going to start with the fourths. So this is x is 1, y is 0, x is 0, y is 1, x is negative 1, y is 0. X is 0, y is negative 1. I hope you can see that. Good. And then, good, so that's that. And then let's do these. I know that 45 degrees is pi over 2, radical 2 over 2, radical 2 over 2. Radical 2 over 2, radical 2 over 2. And now I'm just going to come right across here. Now over here, x's are negative, y's are positive. So I'm going to come right across there, and that's going to be radical 2 over 2 negative radical 2 over 2. Down in this quadrant, everything's negative, so negative radical 2 over 2, negative radical 2 over 2. Over here, y is negative, so it's radical 2 over 2 and negative radical 2 over 2. Good. So far, so good. Getting out of the short strokes now. This is the short y. Now I know that the coordinates for a 30, 60, 90 are 1/2 and radical 3 over 2. So the long side is radical 3 over 2, and the short side is 1/2. This is opposite, 1/2, radical 3 over 2. Good. And now all I have to do is come right across here, and this is negative radical 3 over 2, 1/2. Yes? And if I go straight down, I'm here, and that's going to be negative radical 3 over 2, negative 1/2. Go straight across, radical 3 over 2, negative 1/2, right. And then finally, I've got to fill in this one. I come straight across. X again is negative over here, negative 1/2, radical 3 over 2, drop straight down. That's going to be negative 1/2 negative radical 3 over 2, go straight across, 1/2 negative radical 3 over 2, and oh, that was 5 minutes. Good. If you need to, you can draw your own unit circle, but I want degrees, radians, coordinates. Good luck.